Here I've got this job to replace wash machine door seal, also replace the water valve and clean the detergent drawer assembly, as it was caked uh, in sludge, literally. And here we go ahead to replace the door seal, as it was all black and moldy. The secret with all these washing machines to stop getting the black mold forming on the door rubber seal, which once it forms, you can never clean it up properly. It will never come out. You can use all sorts of chemicals, solutions, you name it. It will never come off, and it will always form again. So the secret is to keep the door open, but not just the door open. The detergent drawer needs to be open as well, so the air can circulate all the way around the drum and the detergent drawer. It's just because inside is moisture all the time. Moisture content is high, and the bacteria can form easily and thrive in there. But if it's all dry, nothing's gonna form there, so you'll be fine. There's not going to be any issues on that. Just leave the door open and the detergent drawer. You don't have to leave a maximum, just crack it open so the air can circulate and dry the inside. That's all. To take out the fascia, sometimes it's a bit painful because it's got plastic clips holding everywhere, and you just have to be gentle and careful not to break any of those. Once it's out, it's easy. Just remove connectors and put it aside. There's a few screws that's holding the front of the washing machine, top two screws, and then there's two more screws at the bottom underneath the washing machine. I need to take those, remove the door seal spring, and then the door latch, and it's easy. It's coming off just like that. Here I'm removing the metal clips to the detergent assembly drawer, and then there is a light fitted into the rubber door seal that's coming off as well, and then a spring to remove the door seal, and that's it. That comes off and the new one is put in. There was a bit of rubbish around the old rubber door seal. I think there's a place where it just builds up in there under. So I've cleaned all that and ready for the new seal. This seal is a bit hard to put on. Not like very hard, but not easy. This is different made than the rest of the Bosch washing machines. Very nicely done. So the gap between the inner drum and the rubber door seal is not massive. So that helps a lot for like small clothes to not to go in between the drum, if you know what I'm saying, because that can create a blockage. So it's a bit difficult for small things to go, and also stopping the drain pump to get clogged with small things. That's what I like about Bosch. It's good quality. Then they think about when they create an appliance. They really think and put a lot of effort in making these appliances. The rubber's in now. Start to take the detergent assembly, pro assembly, and you'll see how bad it is. I mean, the customer was complaining about softener was not taken, so the detergent was going away, but the softener was not. I mean, that was blocked, really blocked. I don't understand how it's possible to get that blocked. Um, don't really understand how it's possible, but you will see in a moment how bad it is. So I'm just starting to just use a brush in hot water, a bit of detergent spray over to clean it, which was very easy to do that. Yeah, everything was blocked. The partition where the softener goes, that was really blocked and dirty. And yeah, and that's the thing with the moisture inside the washing machine. If you don't let the door open and the detergent drawer open, it will never ventilate to keep dry, and stuff will just keep going until things like this happen. Of course, we have to clean in, do a bit of maintenance now and then, but you don't have to do it that often. You know, sometimes you don't touch the washing machine for years if you're careful with these things. Here you'll see how I'm gonna take the assembly off. Not many people do this, either because they don't know they can take this assembly all, apart, or they're just too afraid because it's all plastic and it's very easy to break it away, as everything is so tight packed in there. You will see in a moment how filthy this thing just got. And yeah, there's sludge everywhere, especially where the middle section where the socket is. That was, even after cleaning this, okay, that was still blocked. So then I'll have to take even further apart. You will see in a moment. It's not easy, and you have to be very careful, because if not, it's just gonna break it. The plastic is quite flexible. It's not hard at all. So that helps, because if not, it would just crack. Yeah, but that was still locked. Yeah, I'm gonna start taking it apart in a moment. Looking at these brushes, I can clean very easily those holes. And it's just the job got so easy. Very warm water, detergent. Plastic is like brand new now, and the water can travel very easily through the detergent sample. Yeah, it's just amazing how things can get so moldy even inside a washing machine. But again, it's because of no ventilation. It's the same thing applies to houses and homes. Why you get mold, and yeah, just need a bit of ventilation, so we can keep things dry. Yeah, so this job didn't take too long, very easy, but it just makes you think that things like this can get in the job. But imagine what's inside on the drum. This is why it's important to use chemicals for the inner drum to get it clean, the lime scale and the detergent built up, and keep everything open, the door and the detergent drawer, and then you get no issues. That's the thing, because I did find out that even though the washing machine rinses your clothes, you will never rinse 100% your clothes, and your clothes will still have remains of detergent inside when they're all dry. try and dry the freshly washed the clothes outside in the sun, and then after they all dry, just take them in the sun and shake them. You will see a lot of dust, and that is the detergent powder that just never got cleansed properly from the wash. And from there you get skin problems, and you don't know why you got rashes and pimples and all that sort of stuff, because the chemicals are in touch with your skin all the time. So yeah, it's important to keep your washing machine clean. It's very important, especially for those people that have these sort of issues with the skin. Yeah, because they're all looking for get healed and the skin to heal, but because of these detergents, yeah, their problems never go away. Some of them. Yeah, just final touch-ups on a facial board. Just cleaning all detergent and softener, and then he's ready for assembly. So I'm starting to put the detergent drawer here. Very easy. Connect the water inlet pipes. There's only a couple of them from the valve, and then connect the big hose from the drum, and the other one from the door sill. Easy. the front of the washing machine is going up. It's only held by 4 screws, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom under, and then there is a pump assembly body that's 2 screws, and then just another screw just under those 2. It's very easy. The door seal, put the door latch, and job done. Fish is going back, easy. Once that's done, I'm going to replace the water valve. I just wanted to replace that for the customer, which in the end turned out a good job. It's only a cheap part, but I'm not gonna have any problems soon with that, especially because I had to do a full service for this just to clean up the mess was with the door seal and the detergent drawer. Just wanted to make sure that everything is okay for the customer, not to come back for any small problems. Unfortunately, I didn't film how the detergent drawer was before, to see where the softener just blocked everything. Well, softener and detergent got dry up, and yeah, the softener was never running away. Here you can see I'll fill it up with water, and that just works perfectly. Everything is running away until the cup is empty. So that's good. Um, if you have any issues with that, you know what you have to do. Just take the drawer out, take that blue stuff away. I think most of the washing machines, they have that stuff on, so just take it out, give it a good clean, unblock that small little pipe, and you're good. Make sure you put that blue plastic together properly, because if you don't put it properly, it will never work. That's it. So I'm just unwrapping the pot valve from the Bosch, and just swap it with the new one. What I also found that was that since the customer moved into this new house, which was maybe 2-3 years ago, he was explaining me, whenever it was installed, the water supply, the hose was not tightened up properly, and it was just slowly dripping behind the washing machine, and it did ruin the wall a little bit. But yeah, took out the pipe. The filter was also blocked in, so that was good. Took out both filters was blocked. Just washed it, brush it in a little bit, and that was it. Tighten up the hose to the inlet, and no more leaks. But the pipe looked like it was coming from the outside, so the copper pipe was cold, and I do believe that condensation was forming on the pipe as well, running down. So I've asked the customer to have a look in a couple of weeks, see if it's still wet. If not, that's good. But if it's still forming condensation, just put some insulation on the pipe, and that will stop condensation forming and dripping down. Because it was quite hot in that room, but the pipe was really cold, so I'm sure condensation will form. And as well, having a dryer on top of that washing machine, again, that will increase the condensation even bigger on the pipe. Quick test before I leave. Always test the appliance before you leave to make sure everything is fine. No leaks, no noises from the job I've done. So only takes 5-10 minutes, but I don't want obviously to come back. So I need to make sure everything works 100%, which it is. No leaks, washing machine is fine. Yeah, good job.